Hey guys, Lizzie here, and welcome back to my channel. So today we're making a video, a makeup tutorial, and I'm doing a voiceover, because I'm stuck in quarantine and I can't do anything, so I figured why not be productive and put some makeup on. Yeah, we're gonna jump right into the look, because I don't know what I'm doing here. First I'm gonna go in with the Milk makeup. It's the Kush eyebrow tint stuff. I put this on the ends of my eyebrows because they're a little bit more sparse than the beginnings of them, and it's a little dark for me right now. Like my natural eyebrows are not that same color, but my hair is purple, so it doesn't matter what color my eyebrows are. Next we're going in with the NYX Control Freak Clear Brow Gel, just like hold everything in place because I like it. Next we're doing the Nars, what is that, the Narcissist palette? I'm just going in with the Laguna bronzer. I love the Laguna bronzer. I ran out of storage on my SD card right there too, which kind of sucked, but it's okay. Then I'm taking the pink blush out of that same palette, just to make my face a little bit more red than it normally is. And then we're taking some Urban Decay primer potion and putting it on my inner corners, because that's the look I'm going for. And if you saw right there, I just, like, poked myself in the eye so hard, and I thought I was dying, but we ended up being okay. And then I'm taking the Mini Controversy palette, that purple color, I forget what it's called. I don't use this palette enough, though. It's a really pretty palette, but I don't know how to use it. So I just put that purple on the inner corner of my eye, and then I'm taking the pink color that's, like, right under the purple, and I dropped my brush, but, you know. I just sort of blended those two together until I got, like, this look. It's, like, a muted fuchsia, I guess. And right there, I did not know how to aim my camera shots, so I put some glitter on top of that just to make it more interesting. And then I put on some of this Dior Mascara. You know how to do that. And then we're taking the Anastasia Aurora highlight palette with that purple shade, just because I thought it would complement the inner corners really well. And then yeah, that is my full face of makeup. This took me like 10 minutes to do, and I think it's gonna become a new favorite makeup look of mine. I'm sorry this was so messy, but I will be back with more videos soon. I want to say that I love you guys, and I will see you whenever I upload again. Hopefully soon.